right, so right here we're at inside your vehicle, 2011 Lexus ES. Right here we have the key, so we're just gonna click on here. As you can see, first I just clicked on it, and there's no lights on the dash, no check engine light. So now, with the hood open, sorry about that. There you go. We got it right here, so you can see V6, very nice. Sounds amazing, rust free. And this is how it sounds. It's very quiet, it sounds very healthy, and you know, it's just a cold start after, you know, like I told you on the email, like it was snowing, and it's literally a cold start from, I would say, about a week. This is it. This is how it looks. Great. This is how it sounds.